Now in this video we will discuss electronic configuration of element, how to write down the electronic configuration of element, and first we will try to understand what is meaning of the electronic configuration of the element. Now if you observe or if you see these words electronic configuration, now this electronic words is come from electron, means this electronic words is made from the electron, and configuration words means arrangement or distribution. So the meaning of the electronic configuration is the arrangement of electron. Where is the arrangement? In the orbit. So what is the definition of the electronic configuration? The arrangement or distribution of the electron in the orbit of the atom is called the electronic configuration of the element. So what is meaning of the electronic configuration? The simple meaning is the arrangement of the electron in the orbit of the atom is called the electronic configuration. Now we have seen in the first orbit how many maximum electron is present, second orbit and third orbit and fourth. So we put the element in their arrangement and this is called the electronic configuration. Now we look the one example and we can understand easily. First we take the example of the sodium. Now sodium, the symbol of the sodium is Na and the atomic number is 11. Friend, we know atomic number means, what is meaning of the atomic number? Atomic number means number of electron, and we know the number of electron is equal to number of proton. Now now let's arrange the electron in the orbit of the sodium atom. Now we know the first orbit, this is a first orbit, this is a first orbit. In first orbit the maximum electron are the two, 1 and 2. Clear? Okay. An electron is represented by the small letter E, and electron has a negative charge. So first orbit is consists the 2, and we know in sodium there is a number of electron is 11. So in this 11 we arrange the 2 electron in first orbit. Now how many electron are remaining? Can you tell me? 9. Okay. Now come to on the second orbit. In the second orbit we know the maximum electron are present. So the maximum electron are 8. So we arrange the 8 electron in this second orbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Clear? The second orbit consists the 8 electron. Okay. Now the first orbit is consists the 2 electrons, second orbit is consists the 8 electron. Now total is become the 10. Now in sodium has the 11 electron, and we arrange the 10 electron. So the 1 electron are remaining, that 1 electron is come on the third orbit. Okay, clear? So basically in electronic configuration we arrange the electron in their orbit. So the electronic configuration is of the sodium is 2, 8, 1, means first orbit is consists the 2 electron, second orbit is consists the 8 electron, and third orbit is consists the 1 electron. In the exam the question will become write down the electronic configuration of the particular element. So you can write down the electronic configuration directly, or you can draw the diagram, arrange the electron and write down the electronic configuration. Now, how to write the electronic configuration? You must know the first orbit is consists of 2 electron, second orbit is consists of 8 electron. According to this, we arrange the electron and we got the our electronic configuration of the element. Now look on the another example. The another example is a chlorine. Chlorine is represented by the Cl and the atomic number is a 17. Now atomic number means we know atomic number is it is a number of electron. So here the number of electron is a 17. Now let's arrange this electron in their orbit. We know how many electron in the chlorine? 17. So arrange the first orbit. Can you see? This is the first orbit. This is the second orbit. This is the third orbit. First, second and third. We know in the first orbit consists the 2 electron. 1, 2. Okay. And second orbit the maximum electron is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many electron here? 2 and 8. Total is a 10. Now we know the chlorine has a 17 electron. We already arranged the how many electron? 10. So how many electron is remaining? 7. So the 7 electron is a will come on the third orbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can count total element. First orbit is a 2. फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में 2 है, सेकेंड ऑर्बिट में 8 है एंड थर्ड ऑर्बिट में 7 है. सो 2 + 8 10 and 10 + 7 is a 17. So the arrangement of electron in the chlorine like this way. First orbit is a 2, second orbit is a 8 and third orbit is a 7. Okay, clear? Have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt at the WhatsApp and we connect the live chat on Google Duo, so you can ask your doubt. Now I have written homework for you and write down this homework and show me your homework tomorrow. I have given the homework, write down the electronic configuration of the element. Now how can you write down? You draw the orbit of the atom and arrange there and write down like example method electronic configuration of the chlorine in this way. And I have given 3 element. First is a lithium, second is a silicon, third is a phosphorus. Okay, the lithium has the atomic number is 3, silicon has a 14 and phosphorus is a 15. This is your homework. You will write down on electronic configuration. If any doubt or any confusion, with the help of this example of chlorine and sodium, you can. Now this question may be asked for the exam, and every year this question asked in the exam.